Hashtag Video 13, Leopold Aschenbrenner, the AI whistleblower who built a $20 billion fund. Hashtag script, long form, 1800 words. Hook, first 10 seconds. What if the person who predicted the collapse of OpenAI is now running a hedge fund that bet against it and won? Meet Leopold Aschenbrenner, the 24-year-old former OpenAI researcher who went from being fired for whistleblowing to building a $20 billion investment empire in just 2 years. Chapter 1, The OpenAI Insider. Leopold Aschenbrenner is a German AI researcher who joined OpenAI in 2023. He was hired to work on the company's superalignment team, a group tasked with ensuring that future superintelligent AI systems would be safe and aligned with human values. At just 22 years old, Aschenbrenner was one of the youngest researchers on the team. But his time at OpenAI was short-lived. In April 2024, OpenAI fired Aschenbrenner over alleged leaks of confidential information. Aschenbrenner disputes this, claiming that his firing was directly related to a memo he wrote to the board of directors warning about insufficient security measures and the possibility of industrial espionage by Chinese and foreign entities. OpenAI stated that the firing was unrelated to the security memo. Chapter 2, The Whistleblower. Before his firing, Aschenbrenner had already made a name for himself in AI safety circles. He wrote a memo to the OpenAI board arguing that foreign entities could be conducting industrial espionage within the company's security infrastructure. He was also the subject of a Senate investigation in the United States, where lawmakers questioned whether the Biden administration had improperly influenced OpenAI's decisions regarding his employment. A Senate investigation into this matter revealed that Aschenbrenner believed his termination was politically motivated. He alleged that the administration wanted to protect OpenAI's relationship with foreign investors and partners, and that his warnings about security vulnerabilities were being suppressed. Chapter 3, From Whistleblower to Hedge Fund Manager. But Aschenbrenner's story doesn't end with his firing. In 2024, he launched a hedge fund called Situational Awareness LP. With what started as a few $100 million, the fund quickly began making blockbuster AI bets. According to a 13F filing, the fund disclosed a massive equity position in cryptocurrency mining companies, betting that AI's computational needs would drive demand for specialized mining hardware. By 2026, situational awareness had grown from a few $100 million to an estimated $20 billion in assets under management. The fund's bets on AI-related crypto miners have returned enormous profits, making Aschenbrenner one of the youngest and most successful hedge fund managers in history. He built a $20 billion fund before turning 25. As the New York Post reported, Aschenbrenner has been called the Nostradamus of AI for his ability to predict major trends in the artificial intelligence industry. His fund's portfolio includes significant stakes in companies developing AI infrastructure, computing hardware, and cryptocurrency mining operations. Chapter 4, The $13.6 billion AI Play. According to CoinDesk, Aschenbrenner's fund boosted its disclosed equity exposure to Chinese and other foreign technology companies in May 2026. This move came as his fund revealed a $13.6 billion AI-focused investment strategy that targets the intersection of artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency mining infrastructure. The strategy is audacious. Aschenbrenner believes that as AI models become more powerful, they will require exponentially more computing power. This demand will inevitably flow through specialized hardware, including the types of chips and mining equipment used in the cryptocurrency industry. By positioning his fund early in this space, he's betting that the AI boom will fuel a parallel revolution in computing hardware. CNBC reported that the fund's AI stock position surged after the 13F disclosure, sending shares of several AI infrastructure companies higher. The disclosure showed that Aschenbrenner had stakes in multiple companies that build AI chips, data center equipment, and networking hardware. Chapter 5, What This Means for AI. Aschenbrenner's journey from fired whistleblower to multimillionaire hedge fund manager raises important questions about the future of AI safety and regulation. If the person who warned about OpenAI's security vulnerabilities can turn around and build a $20 billion fund that profits from the very AI industry he once criticized, what does that say about whistleblower protections in the tech sector? More broadly, Aschenbrenner's success highlights the massive financial stakes in the AI race. His bet on crypto miners as AI infrastructure plays suggests that the line between artificial intelligence and cryptocurrency computing is blurring. As AI models demand more processing power, the hardware that powers them becomes more valuable and more profitable for those who invest early. Conclusion: Leopold Aschenbrenner's story is one of the most remarkable in tech. Fired from the world's most powerful AI company at 22, he built a $20 billion hedge fund by age 24 by predicting where the AI industry was headed. Whether his whistleblower claims were justified or not, one thing is certain: he was right about where AI is going. And now he's betting billions on it. As AI continues to transform industries and economies, Aschenbrenner's journey serves as a cautionary tale. The people who understand AI best often have the most to say about its risks and its opportunities. Call to action. If you found this video informative, please like and subscribe to TrendForge for more breaking tech and AI news. Hit the notification bell so you never miss a story. What do you think about Aschenbrenner's journey from whistleblower to Wall Street? Let me know in the comments below.